Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup video, and we are going to be testing out the new Tarte Sculpt tape. And I also got this Super Dewey Revolution blush. It's a liquid blush. I wanted to get another one with a spongy thing, but they didn't have it. I could have swore I saw somebody use one from Revolution that had a spongy thing, but my Ulta did not have it. So that's what we're testing out. And this is gonna be like super quick because I have to go to town. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna put on a primer. We're gonna be using our Makeup Revolution HD powder foundation because it's so nice and quick. So I'm just going to put this primer on real quick. This is the Touché Eclat primer from YSL. Now I'm going to go in with my, I think I'm going to go in with my concealer first so I can blend that out with a clean sponge. And this is the DERMABLEND, my new favorite concealer. I've been loving. Because we're really not using only new products are those two, other than the fact that I've only used that Makeup Forever powder once. So, but I really liked it when I used it. So I think it's gonna be the same. So we're gonna move on. All right, I'm just gonna put some dots of blush and contour and then blend those. This is, oh, I didn't tell you what color it is. It is, what does it say? Apply to apples of the cheeks and softly down the bridge of the nose to achieve a natural sun-kissed look. Buildable gel cream, pigment that dabs into the skin to create healthy, radiant flush color. And my color is You Got Me Blushing. And it's from Makeup Revolution, or just Revolution, I don't know. Yeah, it's just Revolution now. So, again, I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. Just like that, and I know that's probably too much. I mean, it's way too much. But that's just how long this will last. And then I rub it in a little bit. Basically, I use what's on my finger then. And I put some dots on my cheeks. I guess I did have to go back a little bit with this one. I don't know about putting it on my nose. I think I'll hold off on that and maybe just use what's on my sponge. What's pretty. Got too much on that side, didn't I? I'll just put more on this side. I don't mind if it's a little dark because I'm going to put the powder over the top of it. And remember last time when I put the powder over it, it kind of really covered it up. And I got way too far in, just so you know. I know that in my blending. I like it because it's going to be not nearly this dark. All right, let's go in with the Tarte. This is what I really wanted to try. Yeah, see, look at that. So we're gonna put some dots right here. Some dots right here. We're gonna go very light to start with. Oh, it blends really, really nicely. I will go all the way across with it. Oh yeah, this is nice. I like it. And I think I've got just enough blush in my sponge is why it looks really kind of red. I didn't put any down here, so we'll just use what's on the sponge. But I like it a lot. Pull it down a little bit more. Don't want to have too much there. All right, and then I'm going to take, actually, for my nose, I am going to use this, but I'm going to use a brush. Put a little under my lip. And that is it for that. I'm just going to take my sponge now and blend that out a little. Okay. I like it. I like it. What do you guys think? I know you can't tell yet, but you will be able to. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation, which is the Makeup Forever HD, what is it called? HD Powder Foundation, Matte Powder Foundation. And we're just going to go over everything. You know, this is supposed to have glow, though. I don't see the glow. Maybe I didn't use enough, but I didn't want to make it that dark. But we'll see if some glow comes through. Otherwise, we'll add some. I like to pat it on, and then I can go back and move it around. But that way it sets it. The creams underneath first. I am going to go back with my Bye Bye Pores under my eyes and probably my smile lines. I'm not sure if I need it in my smile lines. We shall see. But I definitely want to brighten the under eye a bit. And I'm going to put it on my lid because we're in a hurry and I just don't really have time for too much stuff. We're going to do a one and done on the eyes. Now I'm going to take my powder brush and make sure everything is blended. And now what? What do you think? Do you think it's contoured enough? I think it is. I think it looks great. And it's quick, right? Okay. I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Bye Bye Pores on my sponge and brighten up this under eye a little bit. And then put a little around my nose and see if I can get some color back there. I don't think I need it in my smile lines. Maybe just a little. I don't think I needed it. I just did it anyways. And then spread that out. And the face is done. We're going to one and done the eyes with my Charlotte Tilbury Marie Antoinette. Just gonna grab some It's getting really low. Time to buy a new one. I know it's not called Marie Antoinette anymore. I think it's called Oyster or something like that. But it's the same thing. Yeah, it's getting a little dry too, which is terrible because this is the best. And it's usually like a mousse. Very, very creamy. Easy to work with. But it's still beautiful. And I'm just going to pinch this down and put some underneath. And then just blend that edge there and call it done. Let's do our brows and our lips and we're done. So for my brows, I'm going to use this microfilling pen from Benefit. I have grown to like it more and more. At first, I liked it, but it's got those three little things, and I wasn't very good at it, but I think I've gotten used to it because I couldn't find anything else I liked better, so I kept using it, and I think that was the ticket. You just need to, there's a learning curve to it. Because now it's the one I use. It's the one I reach for all the time. Okay, and for today's lipstick, we're going to use just the Black Honey from Clinique. And that's it, we're done. What do you guys think? I need to go buy a pair of earrings. That's what we're gonna do. Anyways, this is it. I like this new stuff. I especially like the Revolution, wherever I put it. Blush. What do you think? I think this is not as shiny as I thought it was gonna be. I like it, and I'm glad, because you know, you don't really want too shiny of a contour, but I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!